We're back with this kid, Lamborghini fan. Vintage, single stitch. It's hot out. We're about to go to Don Quixote. We're about to go to Starbucks. We're about to go to Family Mart. You're gonna get your hash potato. We're gonna get maybe some type of breakfast at Starbucks. And then we're gonna go to Don Quixote, get a yam, check out what's there. And then we're gonna go around Shibuya today. So that's the plan. How is it?
Good. First hash brown of the year.
First hash brown of the year.
The trip.
Of the trip. So we're officially in Japan now.
You ready? Here we go.
And Mama's buying a Fuji lottery. Let's see. What are you trying to get?
Oh, C is cute. Oh, G. That's a hand towel. That's great. Oh, it is.
It is? Nice. How is it?
Delicious. Yay! I like this one. Oh, that might be the best.
Mochi mochi.
Oh my gosh.
That's cute.
I'm gonna get the cherry, I think.
They got the bolognese hot tortilla. They have a donut. And the Earl Grey scone, orange scone. Bolognese hot tortilla with vegan cheese. Oh, that's good. Mama got her little cakes. I got the Earl Grey scone.
Yeah, great.
The scone sandwich. Do not know what this white thing is in the middle. So that's the surprise. And of course another matcha. Soy matcha latte, iced. Totally different things here this year. Got rid of the stuff. This is like so sweet. It's like dessert. It's like dessert. I'm having dessert. It's like a cream in the middle.
And it's right here. And it's okay if people come close. It's fine. That's really fine.
Sí, es verdad, de todos los trabajos. Porque luego también te vas para España también como la zona de mis pueblitos y así.
Here we are at Don Quixote, making our way through. We're on the second floor now. Let's see what we got. Tea. All right, here's the yam. Here are the yams.
Freshest yams you'll ever eat.
Get two small ones.
All of them are cute. This one's not that
We're here in Labby in Shibuya.
Yamanoto line.
We're gonna do the Yamanoto line, which is the best line. Look, it does a circle around Shibuya. I think that's the break.
Yup, going up is the break.
Sweet?
Oh my god, it's so sweet. Small.
What you get?
I got the watermelon. So good. Look, little crystals to put on frames. I just blew it. I'm so excited. .com. But here's the best whipped cream ever jar. Wait, what's this? Wow, rich mango. This, the girl said, is probably the most delicious tasting jar of whipped cream ever. I'm not getting it.
Change. It's a DJ game. It's a rhythm game with DJing. Pinky Crush. Kyoto Station. Lots of cute things to win. Some funnier ones. And Mario. That was kind of cool.
See, this one has a letter K. Oh my god. You're gonna win me the K one.
Let's see.
Because they're all different letters. That was excellent. Right through the ear, come on. I only brought 40. Here, come here. Okay, come. I like it. Ooh, let me find that one. I love that one. Oh, I'm not even joking. I should go in there and buy it.
Here we are in Miyashita Park, and let's go check out all the new shops, the old shops, and all the shops in between. There's your character, Kawasaki.
Yeah, the matcha cocoa. Maybe it's time I try one. Let me try one.
Pop up. Mrs. Green Apple. No shot. Ooh, that's nice actually. Smell this one. You like that one? Let me see.
Smells like yuzu. It's ginger.
Ooh, that one's good. Here, smell this one.
Ew.
No?
No. That one smells bad. All the bad ones.
This one's patchouli.
Oh, this one smells good. Smell that one? Ugh. Why are you? Oh, wow. I want a picture.
This is new, huh?
Yeah.
It smells like old though.
Here, get a photo. Come take my photo.
Here, I'll take a photo.
Holy cow, look at that. You have to pay for that.
So, vintage cameras. Most are non-operable. Bingo's here. Modi 0101.
All right, I'm gonna play this Kuji. Mama's gonna do this Kuji because I saw this online.
We're gonna do a Kuji.
Yeah. So look, this is $50. No.
Okay.
But yeah, we can play one. They're not
Last time you got eyeliner.
Yeah. This one's only $5. Can you stop running?
How about this one? I think we want to lose.
Well, I like the one with the key. That's sold out. Oh, those are sold out. Well, what do you win here?
Try it.
See if it works. Wait. Okay. You got a pack of cards.
That's what you normally get. It's like 100. It's like 100 yen.
Oh, it's okay. It's the fun of it.
First pack of Pokemon cards.
This year. No, I mean this trip.
Ooh, what'd you get?
Full art.
You got a foil one? Wow, that
And
one's
illustration art.
full. That's a nice one, yeah. Mhm. Wow.
So here's Bingo. Really good vintage store. Not vintage, secondhand consignment. Lots of good stuff here. Lots of good comb. Lots of good domestic brando. This is gonna be fun. We're looking for winter clothes this time. So let's see what we can get involved with. A pair of Isimiaki pants. Got all types of Isimiaki here. Old stuff. Talking old 80s Isimiaki. This place is so good. Look at that, they even have a book on Isimiaki. Gonna hit up New York Joe Exchange.
Yes, but I love this one. 5BR, yeah.
I think that's the first art.
Yeah. Yeah.
So cool.
So good. My nose is burning. See you soon. I'll come back. Oh, it's rain. You can smell the rain. Okay, this is cream or cruller.
How is it?
Really good.
Mine. Here's the cream or cruller.
Oh wow, you get the cream separate?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Looks like aioli.
I'm not supposed to be standing and eating, but that's okay. I break all my rules.
There's nowhere to eat.
You'll try the plane in a second.
Real dark out. It's gonna be pouring soon. We're at Hands. We just bought a lot of stuff for the spa and a new pillow because the pillow at our Airbnb isn't that good. Right now I'm getting a massage on this chair. It's pretty awesome.
Right there!
We are Tencho. Best ramen in Shibuya. You ready for some ramen?
I dream of this place.
You ready for some biru?
Perros? Hey.
I'm about to wear a little apron. I got a spicy miso and we got 2 tantan. Alright. Spicy miso ramen.
Here we go, what? No problem. And it's mine. Thank you. Alright, cheers.
Kanpai.
Kanpai. Kanpai.
Pokemon Shibuya shirt's pretty cool.
Shibuya Pokemon?
Yeah, that one's actually crazy. Sold out, sold out, sold out.
Nothing?
Yeah.
Bag in a bag?
Alright, that's a big reveal.
Oh, but that's so cute though.